The news updates. Tinubu in trouble as court receives fresh suits to suspend May 29 inauguration. Welcome to today's news, and thank you for tuning in to the news. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell for more updates. Now to the news details. Please listen carefully to the end. A fresh motion on notice seeking to stop the inauguration of Bola Tinubu as Nigeria's next president on May 29 has been instituted at the Court of Appeal in Abuja. The suit marked CA/CV/259/2023 was initiated by Ambrose Owuru, who is a past presidential candidate and constitutional lawyer who ran for the presidency under the platform of the Hope Democratic Party in 2019. Listed as respondents in the motion on notice at the President's Major General Muhammadu Buhari, retired, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, and the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, as first to third respondents respectively. Owuru, in the suit, is praying the Court of Appeal to prohibit President Buhari, the Attorney General of Federation, and INEC from inaugurating the 2023 president-elect on May 29, claiming that he was the valid winner of the 2019 election and had not spent his tenure as required by law. Consequently, he is seeking to stop any other move towards the inauguration of Tinubu or anybody else as a successor to Buhari. Among other things, Owuru maintained that Buhari had been usurping his tenure of office since 2019 because the Supreme Court had not determined his petition filed in 2019, wherein it challenged Buhari's victory. In his motion on notice marked CV/259/2023, Owuru applied for an order of prohibitory injunction compelling Buhari, AGF, and INEC, their servants, agents, and privets to preserve and give due cognizance and abstain from any further undertaking or engaging in any act of usurpation of adjudged-acquired constitutional rights and mandates as the winner of the 2019 presidential election. He also applied for another one, placing on notice that any form of inauguration organized by Buhari on May 29, 2023 remains and is viewed as an interim placeholder administration arranged pending the hearing and determination of a substantive appeal on the constitutional interpretation thereof. The motion is supported with an 8-paragraph affidavit praying the Court of Appeal for an expeditious hearing before the inauguration of Tinubu. The affidavit, deposed to by an Abuja-based legal practitioner, Adebayo Anofowode, and filed at the Court of Appeal in Abuja, expressed apprehension that Owuru's suits against Buhari would be rendered nugatory unless given a quick hearing. It read in part that the applicant, Owuru, is the adjudged first-in-time constitutional winner of the February 16, 2019 presidential election, reserves the right of first refusal over any later presidential election returns in the face of usurpation of adjourned acquired constitutional rights. No date has been fixed for the hearing of the suit yet. Ambrose Oru of the Hope Democratic Party in 2019 has slammed Tinubu a suit concerning his inauguration. He is claiming that he won the election in 2019 when Buhari was declared the winner, and that his case is still in the courts pending. His petition that he filed in 2019 to challenge Buhari's victory is still in courts. So therefore, the Supreme Court should not allow the inauguration of Tinubu to hold, claiming that any act of usurpation of adjourned acquired constitutional rights and mandates as the winner of the 2019 presidential election. He has applied for another order, different suits, and this was supported with an 8-paragraph affidavit, praying the Court of Appeal for expeditious hearing before the inauguration of Tinubu. Now, this is another suit against Tinubu. Different suit has risen up by different party to challenge Tinubu in court, writing petitions that Tinubu did not win the election. Now this is a fresh one, claiming that he won the election in 2019, but his election result was given to Buhari, and this petition is still standing in the Court of Appeal. We have come to the end of the news. What's your view? Do you think all the suits will actually delay the inauguration of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Please share your comment in the comment section. Thank you.